Right there next to that tree is a rope. You just barely see it. I don't know if you can catch it on the camera. It's actually right over that tree right now. We're about 5 miles south of 175. And that's right near Stanhope right there. But it's a small rope. You can definitely see it from here.